Welcome to TheStreet.com TV, here Wall Street Confidential with Jim Cramer, our co-founder of TheStreet.com. Hi, Jim. Walmart, the world's biggest retailer, getting 3 upgrades this morning. What do you make of this?
Stock's still well behind the group. I mean, now it's interesting. This year, it's now the number one of the. It's now exceeding JCPenney, Kohl's, Target, Sears as an increase for the year. Mm-hmm. It's now double-digit increase for the year. But given the fact that it's lagged for 6 years, that's nothing really special. Walmart has been convinced that growth was the only way out of this. Now, they began to signal that maybe growth would be slowing, but it seemed almost until last week that it was not by design. Our growth is slowing because we can't put up more stores. This was a by design call, which basically said, okay, look, we have real problems at our stores. We have to fix those stores. We got to cut our capital expenditures simply because we have to remodel stores and do a better job in our existing stores and stop focusing on putting up new stores because our old stores are dowdy and old. That's a major, major decision by them. And it also allows the cash flow to be returned to the shareholders rather than to constantly be returned to the contractors who are building these things. Walmart is an undervalued stock on its growth. It grows at around 11%. It sells at 17 times earnings. It's not undervalued versus Target, Kohl's, JCPenney. It is undervalued versus the panoply of all stocks. I think that we don't know how good Walmart can look when it's not putting up things willy-nilly. I'm also relying on Alan Questrom, who is the guy who turned around JCPenney, who's on the board now to take a more activist role. We don't know how active he's going to be, but it's a nice wild card.
You think it was smart for Walmart to close some of its stores overseas? They seem to be going too fast there.
Walmart's not playing well. I mean, I think, look, this is a soul-searching moment for Walmart. Mm-hmm. By the way, I think it's beginning to be a soul-searching moment for Sears and Eddie Lampert because their stores aren't doing that well. But I would tell you that Walmart still has loyalty and allegiance, but it doesn't get people to come in who have money. And the secret of Costco is they do that. The secret of Target is that they do that. JCPenney's secret is they do that. Kohl's. Those places are perceived bargain hunting places. Walmart is just perceived to be a downscale place. And if Walmart can find a way to go, not upscale, but mid-scale, it will then again be able to fuel growth. And I think that the way to do that is to remodel the stores, make them look better. And the way to move the stock up is to take the cash that would have been used to build stores and buy back stock.
You think investors should be patient?
Yeah, I think they should be buying the stock.
All right, thanks a lot. Jim Cramer on Walmart. This has been Wall Street Confidential on TheStreet.com TV. I'm Farnoosh Torabi. Stay with us.